Crash Course, Ecuador, Cuenca. Welcome to the enchanting city of Cuenca, nestled in the Andean highlands of Ecuador. Cuenca is a UNESCO World Heritage Site known for its rich history, stunning architecture, and vibrant cultural scene. In this crash course, we will explore fascinating stories and examples that will captivate your imagination about Cuenca. We will also delve into the top 12 attractions that make this city a must-visit destination in Ecuador. Story 1. The Founding Legend. Legend has it that Cuenca was founded by the Inca Tupac Yupanqui during his quest to find the mythical city of the Cañari. The story goes that after reaching the Tomebamba River, the Inca Emperor was amazed by its beauty and decided to establish a city, naming it Tumipampa, or Plain of the Tomes. Story 2. The Architectural Marvels. Cuenca is often referred to as the Athens of Ecuador, due to its abundance of stunning architecture. The historic center of the city is a masterpiece of colonial and Republican-era buildings, showcasing a fusion of Spanish, Moorish, and indigenous styles. Cobblestone streets, colorful facades, and intricate detailing make Cuenca a visual delight. Top 12 attractions of Cuenca. 1. Plaza de las Flores. This bustling square is adorned with vibrant flower stalls, offering a fragrant and picturesque setting to relax and soak in the local atmosphere. 2. Catedral de la Inmaculada Concepción. The Grand Cathedral dominates Cuenca's skyline, featuring a blend of Gothic, Romanesque, and Moorish architectural elements. 3. Museo del Banco Central. Explore the museum housed in a former bank building, displaying a vast collection of pre-Columbian artifacts, traditional crafts, and contemporary art. 4. Parque Calderón. The Central Park of Cuenca is a popular meeting spot, surrounded by beautiful colonial buildings and the famous old cathedral. 5. Mirador de Turi. Climb up to this viewpoint to enjoy panoramic vistas of the city, with its red-tiled roofs and the Tomebamba River winding through the valley. 6. El Barranco. Take a stroll along this picturesque riverfront promenade, lined with colonial houses, art galleries, and cozy cafes. 7. Parque Nacional Cañari. Just a short distance from Cuenca, this national park offers breathtaking landscapes of high-altitude lakes, rolling hills, and unique Andean vegetation. 8. Tumipampa Archaeological Park. Discover the remnants of an ancient Inca city at this archaeological site, including terraces, temples, and a fascinating museum. 9. Museo de las Culturas Aborígenes. Immerse yourself in the rich indigenous heritage of Ecuador through the extensive collection of artifacts and exhibits in this museum. 10. Plaza San Francisco. This charming square is home to the San Francisco Church, a beautifully preserved colonial-era building with intricate woodwork and religious art. 11. Tomebamba Riverwalk. Follow the path along the tranquil Tomebamba River, enjoying the scenic views and the peaceful ambience of this urban oasis. 12. Feria Libre. Experience the vibrant local culture at Cuenca's largest market, where you can find fresh produce, handicrafts, and traditional Andean foods. Summarizing Cuenca. Cuenca is a city that seamlessly blends history, culture, and natural beauty. Its architectural marvels, cultural landmarks, and scenic surroundings create a captivating atmosphere that lures visitors from around the world. Whether exploring its historic center or venturing into the surrounding landscapes, Cuenca offers a truly immersive experience. Poem. In Cuenca's embrace, history unfolds, where tales of legends are eternally told. A city adorned with architectural grace. A cultural gem, a captivating place. Cobbled streets and colorful facades. A journey through time, where beauty pervades. Plaza de las Flores, a symphony of bloom. And the Grand Cathedral, a sacred heirloom. Museums and galleries, treasures untold, revealing the stories of cultures of old. Parque Calderón, the heart of the city, where history and life intertwine with glee. Mirador de Turi, a vista divine, where Cuenca's beauty truly aligns. El Barranco's charm, a riverfront delight. And Parque Nacional Cañari, a nature lover's site. Tumipampa's ruins, whispers of the past. A glimpse into an ancient world that didn't last. Museo de las Culturas Aborígenes, a cultural embrace, celebrating Ecuador's indigenous grace. Plaza San Francisco, serenity in the square, where art and devotion blend in the air. Tomebamba Riverwalk, a tranquil retreat. Nature's melody, a rhythm so sweet. Feria Libra, a vibrant market of life. Flavors and colors, a sensory delight. Cuenca, a tapestry woven with care. A city where memories are crafted with flair. Song. Verse 1. In the heart of Ecuador's Andean land, Cuenca stands majestic, a city so grand. With cobblestone streets and facades so bright, its beauty enchants, in the day and the night. Chorus. Cuenca, Cuenca, a cultural gem, where history and art so gracefully blend. From cathedrals and museums to scenic delight, Cuenca's allure shines ever so bright. Verse 2. Plaza de las Flores, a fragrant bouquet. A vibrant oasis where locals sway. The cathedral stands tall, a beacon of grace, as history whispers in every space. Chorus. Cuenca, Cuenca, a cultural gem, where history and art so gracefully blend. From cathedrals and museums to scenic delight, Cuenca's allure shines ever so bright. Bridge. Tomebamba River's gentle flow through El Barranco, a tranquil tableau. Parque National Cañari, a nature's embrace. A journey to beauty, at its own pace. Chorus. Cuenca, Cuenca, a cultural gem, where history and art so gracefully blend. From cathedrals and museums to scenic delight, Cuenca's allure shines ever so bright. Ending note. ******. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?8 = 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for your kind support of our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.